Good afternoon, Elise. Good afternoon, Rutuja Somnati. Good afternoon, Santosh Umashankar. Good afternoon, Narayan Pandey. Good afternoon, Bhavya Phule. Good afternoon, Aditi Karkade. Good afternoon to all of you. If you are doing agriculture and you want proper yield, okay, you want proper crop production. For that, what do you think the most important step you should follow in these agricultural practices? There are many steps we have to follow systematically, starting from soil preparation, then adding manure, then sowing the seeds at the proper distances, good quality, disease resistance, hybrid seeds. Okay, then you know that along with that, when the crops grow, we need to take out the weeds, we need to irrigate the agricultural land at proper time, and we need to spray insecticides, pesticide, and we need to give fertilizer also. That is artificial fertilizer, isn't it? Manure is natural. Okay, so we will find as our body needs all the nutrients properly according to the age group. That is carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals, required amount of water, everything we need according to our age and according to the work we do for proper growth of the body. In the same manner, we will find if our crop, what is crop? Crop is the same type of species grown in a field, okay, to get something useful, whether it may be a cereals, pulses, or maybe a fiber, isn't it? So we will find if we want our crops grow properly, one of the most important need as our body needs all the nutrients, carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, minerals, water in required amount according to age and work we do. These crops also need proper nutrition. Now, from where they get proper nutrition? From soil. These roots they absorb these minerals, okay, salts along with the water and it is supplying to all the parts of the body. Now, the most common word we use is compost manure, khad. In our Hindi, we call it as a khad. That is very much important. Now, traditionally, what we are doing? If you visit villages now, also we will find at the backyard or in the front of the house there is a pit, and in this pit, whatever biodegradable waste is there, whether it may be a hay, whether it may be a dead animal, whether it may be excreta of any animal, isn't it? Like we will find cow dung is used for gobar gas in villages. Apart from that, slurry which is left, it is mixed in that pit. So whatever the biodegradable waste is there, they are throwing it in this pit, and that is decomposed by the bacteria present in the soil, which this convert it into simple substances. Okay, these simple substances, what they are doing, taking it on the bullock cart, and then you might have seen in villages it is there. I have seen many times they are adding it in the agricultural field. Okay, the heats of that they are adding at a particular distance in the agricultural field. What is its purpose? Its purpose is to make the soil fertile, because this fertile soil will supply all the nutrients which are required by crops for the proper growth. Okay, if growth is proper, then we will find crop production will be proper, yield will be proper. If growth is not proper And when growth will be proper, when they will get all the nutrients from the soil. Now year by year we are growing crops. Now, 1 year we have grown crops, next year, every time we are taking out the minerals, the plants they are taking out the minerals from the soil. Isn't it? Then we have to replenish that used minerals back into the soil. That naturally we are making compost. Okay, by digging the pit and throwing all the biodegradable waste in it, it is decomposed by the bacteria, that is broken down by bacteria into simple substances, and that manure, that compost, we carry it in the fields. Okay, this it is done in every village you will find as an agricultural practice. But the word is there, vermicompost. Now, this word itself explains the meaning. Now, here we will find in this compost water we are making, the bacteria present in the soil, it is decomposing the biodegradable waste into simple substances. Okay, biodegradable waste, not non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. Bio means it is from plants and animals. This waste is either coming from plant or animals, or plant products or animal product. It is a plant product or animal product. Then degradable, biodegradable. Degradable means this bio means from plant or animal, from living world. Degradable means broken down by bacteria, it can be decomposed. Okay, broken down by bacteria into simple substance. Waste. Only this biodegradable waste we are collecting, isn't it? And it is decomposed by bacteria, isn't it? So we will find that is compost. We are using it to make our soil fertile. Now vermicompost, the word itself explains the meaning. What is the meaning of the word vermicompost? Verm, what Talapati wrote. Sorry for late. Okay. So we will find what this vermicompost word it explains. The word vermi, it is for leadworm. Okay. And the compost means it is a, we will find when the biodegradable waste it is decomposed by red worm, then what do we get? Vermicompost. Okay, it is just like it is a member of the, we will find this like earthworm only, member of that family only. It requires very cool, dark environment. Cool, dark environment it requires, and for temperature about 17, or we can say 13 to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you will find this red worm. It is this word vermi is for this red worm. Now decomposition of this bio, okay, that is by waste, that is the waste which we get from plant or animal with the help of this red worm as well as bacteria from the soil. Both bacteria and red worm it is helping in this process, so we will call it as a vermicompost. And it is very much useful for potted plants. Okay, that is very much useful for potted plants. See what is the difference between earthworm and redworm? we will find that this is from the earthworm family only. Okay, so it is used for the, and you know that they don't have need to chew the food. They have gizzard. Gizzard is there instead of it to crush to convert the food into smaller substances which can be absorbed. Okay, then this is how we will find vermicompost. It is the word came from, and how to prepare vermicompost. I think this can be done instead of speaking in front of you. It is better to do how to prepare vermicompost. Last year we have done there in front of physics lab, chemistry lab. So this is a very systematic and very enjoying step by step process. We can enjoy doing that, preparing vermicompost. Okay, so the meaning of the word vermicompost is quite clear to all of you, and the meaning of the word compost is quite clear to all of you. So thank you very much. I will stop here. Then regarding preparation of vermicompost, so we will do it instead of just speaking in front of you. We will do and we will learn how to make vermicompost. I think that will be the best way. Okay. So thank you very much. I will stop here.